All right, last question. Rafael, he says, this is the new member, I think, in our mastermind, who was asking about DHA as well. He said, any plans to do another DHA workshop anytime soon? Hadn't planned on it, but in the mastermind, you have access to the 3-day workshop recordings already. We did a 3 or 4 of those, and you should have access to those recordings. But as I mentioned at the very beginning of today's Hump Day Hangout, you know, you can, by the way, any members, if you have anything that you want me to talk about in the mastermind, that we have mastermind webinars every Thursday. The entry level members is $49 a month. And every Thursday I do an 1.5 hour long webinar, and I'll answer any questions you have a lot more thoroughly than I do on Hump Day Hangouts. And if you have a request like this, like a DHA workshop refresh, post the question in the mastermind questions form and I will cover it. I've got another request from a new member about doing a site structure build or recommendation tomorrow, where I'm going to go through a very specific project that the new member had mentioned, and he was asking for guidance on how to structure the site. So I've already committed that tomorrow I'm going to go through that training. But if you're Raphael, if you're in the mastermind and you want me to cover kind of a updated training for DHA, not much. We can certainly do that during one of the mastermind webinars. And as I started to say, some of this can be streamlined. If you're not using HighLevel, don't add complexity to your, in the DHA 3-day workshop was supposed to be intro to phase 1, which was really about the cold email and how to, picking an industry, setting up the cold email system, building the email sequences and all of that is what's taught. It wasn't the full directory stuff, though. That was the full program. So the 3-day workshop was about the cold email system. And that's why I started saying earlier, if you're not using HighLevel for a CRM, you may not want to or need to, because you can use Instantly, which is the cold emailing application, as a CRM. It has a CRM built into it now. So you could completely omit HighLevel is what I'm saying. So that's worth me talking about in a mastermind webinar, to kind of talk about how you can streamline that process with less apps. Okay. So feel free, if you're in the mastermind, just post that question in the questions form. And I'm happy to cover that if tomorrow, if we have time, if not tomorrow, next Thursday. Okay.